Hello everyone, today we are gonna see how to fake your location using simple Android application. So first of all, go to description and download the application using the link. So your first step is go to your settings, go to about phone and click on build number for 6 to 7 times until the developer options are enabled. So once your developer options are enabled, go to settings and search for developer options. Make sure your Android application is downloaded and then find the option select mock application and select this application as the default one. Now simply open your Android application, but make sure your GPS and internet is on. Now just skip the tutorial, whatever you see on the screen. Now let's select a fake location on this map, any random location. So I'm gonna choose Afghanistan. To select the location, just long press on the map and click on the play button you see at the bottom. Now you are all set with your configuration. Just open your WhatsApp and share your live location. Now as you can see, my live location is not my actual location. You can use the same trick to be anywhere around the world and no one would know. That is it for the video. Comment below and let me know if it works for you. Thank you.